How to use Jasper.ai to make money. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can make money using Jasper.ai. So let's get started. If you have no idea about Jasper.ai, Jasper is an amazing AI writing assistant that allows you to write your own content and help you create quality writing. You can create your own blogs, write articles, and more using this AI powered writing assistant. It's very easy to use and has all the right features and tools for you. You might be already using Jasper.ai, but do you know that we can actually make money using Jasper.ai? So that's what I will show you today, that what are the different niches you can go for, and you can use Jasper.ai not just for your personal writing to make money online. So that's what we will be discussing today. Without any further ado, let's get started. So the first thing, of course, is going to be signing up for Jasper.ai. Make sure that you have Jasper. Signing up process is really easy. Get your own Jasper first. So simply go ahead and sign up. The signing up process is really easy. You can sign up by adding your first name, last name, email address, and password, or you can also continue with your Google account. Once you do that, then you will have your own Jasper. So once you have your Jasper, the next thing is going to be looking for jobs of what we can do with Jasper to make money. So the first thing that you need to do is simply open fiverr.com or upwork.com. These are freelancing websites that allow you to sell different services. Signing up for Fiverr and Upwork is really easy. You simply create your own account. So you have no skills right now, okay? I'm not saying that you have to do freelancing and you have to be skilled. You should have experience. We are using our Jasper.ai for this, okay? So what you have to do is you will simply create a freelancing account on any of the websites, any of the platforms that are out there. For example, I am right now on fiverr.com. And on Fiverr, you can see right here, I have this option which is writing and translation. And within writing and translation, I have all of these different services that I can sell. For example, articles and blogs, translation, proofreading, cover letters, resume writing, sales copy, email copy. Then we have book and ebook writing, creative writing, speech writing, UX writing, technical writing, white papers, website content, press releases, grant writing, transcription, and more. So you can see we have a lot of different options. Now, we're not professional, so I would not suggest that you go ahead and lie that, okay, I'm a very professional writer and I can write ebook for you, because that's going to be too much. But what we can do is we can get these very small jobs such as translation, proofreading, script writing, blog writing, and then we also have product review writing. So these are very small, writing that we can actually do using Jasper.ai. So let's go ahead and find articles and blog posts. So I have opened articles and blogs. First thing is that you select a language. So the thing is, you might only speak one language or two. But if you're using Jasper.ai, we can create content in any language. So that is also a plus point. Next, you can see you will find all of these different gigs right here. What you have to do is you will also create a gig saying that you can write. And then you will use Jasper.ai to do your writing, and it will help you and assist you to write quality content. You will be able to write blogs, articles, social media posts, website posts, and more. You can also work on the SEO, use the right keywords, and more with Jasper.ai. So that will actually help you get more jobs and you will be able to make money. How much you can make with writing jobs on these freelancing websites? Well, it depends on you. If you are really good in job, and of course, if you're using Jasper.ai as your assistant, you will be good. You can create product listing and more. So what you can do is you can simply go ahead and create your gig for maybe in the start, you can go for $30 per hour or $20 per hour. But as you get more professional, you can reach up to $200 per hour or maybe $300 per hour. So using Jasper.ai, we can make up to $300 per hour if we're using it right. And even as a beginner, you will be able to make $20 per hour or $30 per hour using Jasper. So that is how Jasper helps you make money. Similarly, you can go for any of the different niches. For example, you can write cover letters and script writing too. Because with Jasper, we get all of these different tools. We can write our own emails, sales pitch. With Jasper, there's another thing available. With Jasper, you can also write website content and social media post content. For example, we can integrate our Jasper to our Shopify, YouTube, Facebook, WordPress, Gmail, Amazon, and Google. So we can directly use Jasper for our YouTube description writing or on our Shopify. So Jasper actually helps us a lot in every niche and on every platform. Another way you can make money with Jasper is going to be through product review. What you have to do is simply go to Amazon or maybe any other platform as well, such as AliExpress. But Amazon is really good for product writing. So, what you have to do is you simply find a product, and there are different platforms to write reviews too. You can simply select the product and then write a review about it. The best thing about product review is that you can go for any of the niches, such as gaming accessories, and you can go for clothes, maybe softwares. Then we have, different gadgets, we have products, we have home based products. So you can write reviews on any of these. Writing a review actually pays you. And not only on Amazon, but there are other platforms as well for which you can write product reviews. But how you will be writing the best review? Using Jasper.ai. Because the features that Jasper gives us allow us to create a very good product review. And then you will be able to earn a lot and charge more for your reviews. This is the simplest way to make money without any investment. Similarly, you can use Jasper for your own personal blog. Let's say you have your own personal blog. And with your personal blog, we can actually make money. Simply go to blogger.com and create a blog for free. After that, for your writing and publishing your blogs, you can use Jasper.ai. It will help you add the right keywords and also help you with the SEO of your blogs. This way, you will be able to create professional blogs and make money. Because with Blogger, you can see right here, we have the earning option. And we make money by connecting our blogger to our AdSense. And people are making thousands of dollars monthly by Blogger. So you can create your blog on any of the website and then simply use it to make money and monetize your blog. And Jasper.ai will help you make money. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you. And now you know how to make money using Jasper.ai. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.